Good day everyone. This code is a temperature converter from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Through our software, dev-c++, or in short, C++, we can run this code here. Before we enable the temperature converter code, I will first explain to you what this code does and what the output of the code will be. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly is the purpose of include IO stream? Include IO stream declares object control reading from and writing to the standard streams. Next, using namespace std. The using namespace std statement tells the compiler to use the std namespace, which contains the C++ standard library. Next is the int main. Int main represents that the function returns some integer even 0 at the end of the program execution. Next, float, Fahrenheit, Celsius. Float is a term used for the numerical implementation of floating point numbers. Fahrenheit and Celsius are examples of floating point numbers because they have a numerical implementation. Look at the line 14. It has a math formulas that will give outputs when you run the program. Next, the count. In C++, count is used to display output to the screen. Next, the scene. Scene means character input. In C++, the scene object belongs to the ice cream class. It accepts input from a standard input device, such as a keyboard, and is linked to stdin, the regular C input source. Next, the function of line 8. When you run the code, the output that appears is the one contained in the count place on line 8, which is the enter Fahrenheit value height and its positioning. The /t object next to the enter Fahrenheit value is an example of escaping sequence. The function of it is tab horizontal. Next, the function of line 9. Its function is to write the Fahrenheit you want to convert to Celsius. Next, the function of line 10. Line 10 adds a display output, which is the degrees, after you write the temperature you want to convert. Next, line 11. Line 11 gives a vertical tab display after you enter your desired conversion of temperature. In line 14, the ones placed in the float are called here to perform a mathematical operation in the created program. In line 15 and 16, provide display outputs when your program converts your desired temperature. And lastly, return 0. Return 0 means the function doesn't return any value. After I discuss what is inside the code, now I will show you how it really works. Press F11. And type any Fahrenheit temperature you want to put. For example, 86. And then press enter. See? It works. 86 Fahrenheit converted into 30 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching.